Hi. Last lesson we extracted this new function, but later on the course we will need different parts of it. So I will create this new function called extension matches name. It will take a name and vk extension properties object. It will then return the comparison of both. And I replace this copied variable name with the parameter name. And actually this parameter should be named properties. Now we want to replace this lambda. But this is a capturing lambda, so to replace it, we'll need to bind the currently captured variable. We go into the precompiled header and include the functional header. With that, we can now bind front the extension name that we are testing for. This essentially binds the first argument from the extension matches name and returns a function that only needs the second argument passed. Now, we need to extract the second lambda as well. I create a new function called isExtensionSupported. It will take a list of the supported extensions and a name to check. Since it captures the supported extensions variable down here, when we bind front, we will need to pass the supported extensions. Now, the supported extensions will go as the first parameter and the name to check as the second. Again, I quickly build this and run it. The window still shows and there are no errors, so we're good. See you later.